So we wanted to talk about the new phone Huawei Mate 60 Pro today, which was released not long ago, like a couple of days ago, and the phone is currently trending at maybe the best phone even than iPhones. Yeah, so let's get straight into it.
So from the comment section, you can see that people were commenting about it. It has 8 cores and a lot of stuff here, which is not very ideal for phone. Or I have not seen such for phones. Yeah, then the chipset which is million something, and then 5G network, a lot of stuff there. So let's get straight into the specification of the device itself. So to the specification here, it has 6.82 inches wide screen, 50 megapixels, 12 GB RAM, 5000 mAh lithium battery. Let's also say the glass too is very good and can survive many feet. Yeah, drop text. Yeah, so a lot of stuff there. So check it out. And I think it's the new phone to get. Yeah, since it has 5G, 50 megapixels, a lot of stuff there is leaked too. Yeah, follow me for more.